Welcome to the Virtual Learning Hub. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Today, we will learn about the difference between a student-centered classroom and a teacher-centered classroom. In a teacher-centered class, the focus and control of the learning process are primarily placed on teacher. The teacher takes on the role of the primary authority figure and the main source of knowledge and information. They typically deliver lectures, provide instructions, and direct classroom activities. The students are expected to passively receive the information, follow instructions, and engage in activities as directed by the teacher. The teacher-centered approach tends to prioritize the dissemination of information and the mastery of prescribed content. On the other hand, in a student-centered class, the focus and control of the learning process are shifted towards the students. The teacher becomes more of a facilitator or guide, providing support and resources to help students explore and construct knowledge on their own. The students are actively involved in their learning, encouraged to ask questions, solve problems, and engage in critical thinking. Student-centered classes often involve collaborative activities, discussions, and hands-on experiences. The teacher's role is to create a conducive learning environment, encourage student participation, and provide guidance when needed. Some key differences between teacher-centered and student-centered classes include role of the teacher. In teacher-centered classes, the teacher is the primary authority and information provider. In student-centered classes, the teacher is a facilitator, supporting students in their learning process. Learning focus. Teacher-centered classes focus more on content delivery and information acquisition. Student-centered classes emphasize active learning, critical thinking, problem solving, and student engagement. Student engagement. In teacher-centered classes, students are often passive recipients of information. In student-centered classes, students actively participate, ask questions, and collaborate with peers. Classroom dynamics. Teacher-centered classes are typically more structured and rigid, with a teacher leading most activities. Student-centered classes tend to be more interactive, with students taking an active role in shaping the learning experience. Decision-making. In teacher-centered classes, decisions about learning goals, activities, and assessments are primarily made by the teacher. In student-centered classes, students have more input in setting learning goals and may have choices in selecting activities or projects. Both approaches have their merits and can be effective in different contexts. However, the student-centered approach is often preferred because it promotes student engagement, critical thinking, and lifelong learning skills. It helps students develop a deeper understanding of concepts and fosters independent learning abilities.